Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing your TikTok password. So whether you've forgotten your password or just want to change it, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I want to point out is if you have forgotten your password, just sign out of your account if you're not already signed out. And then when you're prompted to sign in, there's an option if you have forgotten your password, select that option. If you maybe don't even have a password sign in, you might be using your phone to sign in. You may need to receive a verification code through a two-factor authentication method like I'm alluding to. And then hopefully that would be able to get you back in if you forgot the password. However, if you're just trying to change your password, you can sign into your TikTok account, select the profile icon at the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right. Select where it says Settings and Privacy. Underneath Account, select the Account button, and then select Password. And then at this point, you will have to enter in a verification code you received to your email. So let me go ahead and enter that in. And then at this point, go ahead and enter in your new password you want to change it to. And then you would select Continue, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.